On the other hand, values are converted to numbers in numeric context. For example, let number is string 123 minus 1, and here 123 is converted to number 123, and the result is 122. True minus 10 is minus 9, since true is converted to number 1. And true plus 10 is 11, since true is converted to 1. False minus 10 is minus 10, since false is converted to number 0. So in these cases, the components of the expression are turned to numbers, and mathematical operations are performed. And let's look at another example. Number is 123 plus null, and the result is number 123, since null is converted to 0. And let's see what happens when we try to perform some math operations on strings and numbers. Let number is 2 times hello, and we get not a number. In this case, since there is no operation with a string that involves multiplication, JavaScript has no other option than to turn the string hello into a number, resulting in not a number. Then, 2 times not a number results in not a number. Here is an example of a successful calculation involving numbers and strings. Let number is 10 divided by string 2, and the result is 5. Same situation as before. The only possible operation with division involves numbers, so the string 2 is turned to a number and division is performed. To sum up, a loosely typed language is a programming language in which variables are not bound to specific data types. In such languages, you do not need to explicitly declare the type of the variable when you create it. Instead, the type is determined at runtime based on the value assigned to the variable. This provides greater flexibility, but can also lead to unexpected behaviors due to implicit or automatic type conversions. Automatic type conversion is a powerful feature in JavaScript that can make coding easier, but it can also lead to unexpected results if not properly understood. Being aware of how JavaScript performs these conversions will help you write more predictable and bug-free code. When using the plus operator with a string, JavaScript converts the other operand to a string. For operators like minus, multiplication, and division, JavaScript converts strings and booleans to numbers, and non-numeric strings in a numeric context result in not a number.